This 2014 Jayco Jay Flight Swift 267 BHS2 BDRM Slide, DBL Bed Bunks is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Williamstown, New Jersey, 08094 and is offered for sale by White Horse RV Center. This used Jayco is 29 feet 11 inches in length and features one slide-out, a tan, brown classic neutrals interior, sleeps 10, slide-out, TV, external shower, auxiliary battery, air conditioning, and 44 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunk beds, front bedroom, mid-kitchen. The unloaded weight of this 2014 Jayco Jay Flight Swift 267 BHS2 BDRM Slide, DBL Bed Bunks is 5,641 pounds. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by White Horse RV Center, visit RVUSA.com.